Hello everybody, I'd like to wish you all a happy Christmas. Even though as photographers we have long and expensive wish lists, just remember Christmas is about family and friends. I'd just like to say thank you to you all for subscribing to my channel. I've had an amazing year and met so many really cool people through this community. Every single one of you matters. Every comment, every like and every subscriber. I appreciate you all. I've got so many plans for 2019, so keep watching and interacting with me and my channel. Anyway, I won't take up too much of your time on Christmas Day. Here's a little look back at 2018. These are just some of the outtakes that I have. I do mess up so many of my lines. The B-roll sometimes doesn't go according to plan, and sometimes I make a little bit of a fool of myself. So here you go. Why hasn't that gone off? That's so bad. So, if you get your focus on that subject and you're rambling, so a bigger light source will produce a softer look. A smaller light source, the legendary photojournalist Arthur. Your foreground will be lit nicely. The stars will be knit nicely. I filmed this with the the legendary photojournal. In photography, it refers to the international standard of the sensitivity of emulsional-based film. Come on. I'm not sponsored by them. I use the program and I've given a my shutter speed needs to be at 1/50th of a second. What? No, half a second. The first thing you want to do is buy one of these Arca Swiss quick release systems. It comes with a plate and this thing. Say if I'm shooting architecture, the legendary photojournalist, oh come on. The legendary, generally if you've got an averagely steady hand, what? Averagely steady hand. It can really increase the interest of a photographer. You should get a shot that's free from like handheld. The photo, what you might find is you'll get a shot that looks really good. Ow. The legendary photojournalist Arthur Weegee Fellig first was credited with using this term, F8 and be there. That's a big spider. And that's about it.
Sorry, but I couldn't find what
Alexa, stop. For. And that's about it. This long exposure noise is a little bit annoying, but if you follow one of these rules and stick to it, they're not rules. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the little bell, whichever side it is, down there. Happy Christmas, everybody.